redefining Shanghai, the economic and financial hub of China. As China moves to foster strategic emerging industries and technological innovation, a wave of high-tech companies is participating in its innovation pursuit. And Shanghai, with artificial intelligence as one of the 3 leading industries, serves as a window for the world to observe the country's vitality in innovation. Since its establishment in 2023, the Shanghai Foundation Model Innovation Center has been the first stop for various larger model startups to establish themselves in Shanghai.
I started thinking about starting a company project, mainly because the technology and economy environment here is very well developed and very well connected. So you can do business on technology and you can do technology on business. In addition to that, there is the fact that Shanghai economy is a multiple factors economy. It makes it a very rich environment that you can explore opportunities. As a tech company, you have many potential clients on the market.
Walking around the Innovation Center, I came across many young entrepreneurs who are eager to seize the new opportunities driven by high-quality development.
我们的研发人员这个团队也非常的年轻，平均年龄也只有31岁。我们国家在人工智能方面的一些关注度，包括一些资源投入，都是给我们提供了很好的这个成长的土壤。
上海对于人工智能的产业投入还是力度非常大的。摩速空间呢，聚集了上百家的创新创业企业，都能够在这个聚集区里面进行一个互联互通。上海在整个人工智能的这个产业上是非常领先也非常完善的，也能够帮助整个产业中的每一个环节都能够更快速的发展起来，因为它所需要的这些信息、需要的这些资源都能够在本地能够去做到更好的流动和打通。
主要是3个，第一个是发展要素当中的全要素的协同，第二一个是产学研的协同，第三一个是上下游的协同。一定意义上来讲，魔术空间是一个承载或者说加速新生产力发展的这样的探索。